Today, mental health during the pandemic.
Mentally ill people who are high functioning, such as myself, we have systems in place to handle like the pandemic because we wake up in an uncertain world every day, regardless of the pandemic. So we have to have systems in place that allow us simply to get out of bed in the morning. So I realized early on that skill set is transferable to neurotypical people who have never faced this sort of thing before. For example, I believe that you should, at this point in time, during the pandemic, you should definitely have a self-care plan, which most high-functioning mentally ill people do. Mine is five things. Diet. I'm on the keto diet and I do intermittent fasting. Exercise. I got an old Nordic track behind my green screen here. You wouldn't recognize it because it doesn't have any clothes hanging on it.
Right. Plus, it's from last century, so
Man.
most people might even not recognize. It's like a fossil.
Yeah, it's like I think it's coal-fired. It's wood and straps, and that's it. And it's harder than it looks. So diet, exercise, good night's sleep, meditation twice a day, and medication.